Biscuit Baking Basics, Easy English Tutorial. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, biscuit recipe. Whether you're a budding baker or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand not only what this phrase means but also how it's used in everyday English. So, let's get started, and don't forget, the key points will be highlighted for easy understanding. Biscuit recipe is a compound noun, consisting of two words, biscuit and recipe. A biscuit in British English refers to what Americans call a cookie, a small, sweet baked good. In American English, a biscuit is a type of soft bread roll, often eaten with butter. A recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of the ingredients needed. So, a biscuit recipe is a guide on how to make biscuits. It's important to note the cultural difference in the meaning of biscuit between British and American English. Now, let's look at a simple biscuit recipe to understand this better. A basic biscuit recipe might include ingredients like flour, sugar, butter, and milk. The recipe will guide you through mixing the ingredients, shaping the dough, and baking it in an oven. This practical example helps in understanding how recipes are generally structured and followed. To practice, let's use biscuit recipe in a few sentences. 1. I found a great biscuit recipe online that I can't wait to try. 2. Could you share your grandmother's biscuit recipe with me? 3. This biscuit recipe is very simple and perfect for beginners. Notice how the phrase is used in different contexts, emphasizing its versatility in everyday English conversations. I hope this video helps clarify what a biscuit recipe is and how you can use this phrase in your daily English. Remember, learning English can be as fun as following a recipe. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language tutorials. Happy learning and happy baking!